Why do you call Hindi a fake language? Because what the Indian government considers to be Hindi is something called Shuddh Hindi or Adhunik Manak Hindi. This is standard Hindi. Now, Hindi is not a language that anyone actually speaks. Hindi is a standard of one particular language called Hindustani, wherein they have basically purged almost every Arabic and Farsi and Turkic origin word with Sanskrit words. It is identical to Urdu. The main difference is the vocabulary. Even quote-unquote Hindi songs will use a ton of Arabic and Farsi loanwords. I've noticed that Hindi has become more Sanskritized. Hindi is the Sanskritized version of this particular language. Earlier, a long time ago, the 1930s, Hindi was not written using the Devanagari script. Almost every major form of Hindi, quote unquote, that we call Hindi was written in the Perso-Arabic script. You had books. The Ramayana was written in the Perso-Arabic script. This is the Ramayana as it was 100 years ago. What was the purpose of them getting rid of all the Perso-Arabic influence in Hindi? The people, well, first off, the British were the ones that standardized this. They specifically planned this language to get rid of all Arabic influence. It's specifically to be Hindi, Hindu, Hindustan.